So during my presentation, I would like to give a brief about what is Honeywell, what Honeywell does globally, what it intends to do in India, and what are the challenges we are already facing, and probably we are trying to mitigate those challenges with active participation from the supply base in India as well as the global partners. Honeywell as a company, we are building a world that's safer, more secure, more comfortable and energy efficient, more innovative and productive. I just want to say that Honeywell is just not an aerospace company. It has a products as less priced as $1 to aircraft engines and sophisticated avionic products. So considering the product line which we have, this is our statement to the world which we practice. Now something about Honeywell. Honeywell is a $39.1 billion company with 55% of the sales coming outside the United States. We have 1,300 sites in 68 countries with 131,000 employees. We are headquartered at Morristown, New Jersey, United States. We are a Fortune 500 company. Then our three key business lines: aerospace, performance materials and technologies, automation and control solutions. Now, who is Honeywell? A little bit more about Honeywell. Aerospace, 15.7 billion sales in 2013. Automation and control solutions, 13.5. Performance materials and technologies, 9.9 billion. There are great positions in good industries. This is a great statement, just not because I am a Honeywell employee. When I read that, many times I read this to think about me as what I do to be in this good industry.